Yes, dear students, welcome to Diamond Group of Institution. So, myself, Mr. Shivkumar sir, I am a senior mathematics teacher in a Diamond Group of Institution. So, dear students, already we completed 7 classes. Now, this is the 8th class. So, 8th class, today we are discussing about the question number 11 in the exercise 1.2. So, exercise 1.2 already we started. In this exercise, having the 20 questions. So, some bit having the 5, 6 questions were there, but now this is application questions are there here. First, already previous class I explained to you 10 question, up to 10 question, dear students. Now we are going to the 11th question. I thought you are following the classes और classes को follow करते जा रहे हो और homework करते जा रहे हो, क्योंकि मैं समझ लेता हूँ dear students. ऐसे हम क्या करना चाहिए, ये इसमें जो application question है इसका जो correct तरीका से हम सही तरीका से हम सॉल्यूशन करने का जो मेथड है, मेथड को फॉलो करना चाहिए. सर यही मेथड से पढ़ाया है, यही मेथड से करना बोल के कुछ भी ये नहीं है, अंडरस्टैंड कर लेना. सो क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग क्या है समझ लीजिए. हम ये मेथड करते हैं, दूसरा टीचर दूसरा मेथड करते हैं, वो मेथड करते हैं. सो सर वो मेथड ये मेथड अलग होता है. मेथड इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, बट व्हेन वी आर यू आर गिविंग द आंसर, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कौन सा रास्ते से जाते हैं वो मायने नहीं रखते, लेकिन हम आंसर लाना चाहिए, दैट इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, in and previous exercise, in the 1.1 exercise I left the 3 question, till first bit 3 question I will explain after the end of this chapter. Okay, so now today we are going here 11th question. What is the 11th question? Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 so on will be 132 more than its 54 terms? So this is the question में क्या दिया गया है, which term of the AP, कौन सा जो टर्म है ये सीक्वेंस में जो 132 मोर देन 54th टर्म से 132 हमें ऐड करने के बाद जो कौन सा टर्म है वो ये आंसर आएगा 132 मोर देन द 54th टर्म. दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. सो आफ्टरवर्ड्स सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट टर्म इक्वल टू 3. Which term of the AP, कौन सा जो टर्म है ए AP के अंदर will be 132 more than the 54, it's a 54th term. 54th term 1 plus 132 more than 132 रहे तो कौन सा जो टर्म रहेगा बोल के पूछ रहा है. So common difference is equal to, already in this sequence for 15 minus 3 is equal to 12 is there, and nth term of the AP sentence, nth term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 so on will be 132 more than its 54th term. So condition is this is. So how we can write here nth term? We don't know. That is why we are taking a nth term is equal to 132 more than the 54th term. Condition nth. Which term of the AP? Nth term we don't know. That is an is equal to dear students, an is equal to a 54th term more than 132 of 54th term. So an, already know that formula is there. What is the formula? A plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close d, dear students, and is equal to this 54th term we written as 54th term. How we are writing? A plus 53d, plus 132. Next step, here a I did the cancel. Why? So this is a is there, this plus a you bring this side, that is become minus a. Plus a minus a both are get cancelled. That's why I did here cancel. Remaining n minus 1 bracket close, common difference is 12 is there. I wrote here, substitute here 12 is equal to this 53, common difference is 12 and plus 132. Then n minus 1 only I kept here, this 12 I brought here downside, and this simplification, first multiplication then addition, multiplication and plus 132 equal to 3768. I did here directly, dear students. One more time we will check. 53 into 12, 12 3s are 36, carry 3, 12 5s are 60, 60 plus 3 63. Then here plus 132 dear student, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Understood? 768. When we did that here division, look at the both dear students, both are divisible by 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4. Remainder 3, 36. 4 9s are 36. 4 2s are 8. Then 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. It is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 6s are 18. Remainder 1. So that is become 12. 3 4s are 12. Answer we got here, n is equal to 64. This minus, one more time I am writing here, n minus 1 is equal to, we got here 64. Then dear students, this n is as it is, the 64 as it is, minus 1 is become plus 1. So n is equal to 65 dear students. I thought you understood very well. So 65th term is equal to 54th term by plus 132. Dear students, listen carefully. This is the 11th question dear students. Very easy is the 11th question. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27 and 39 so will be 132 more than its 54th term? How we can do the solution? First term, this place you can write it a is equal to 3, d is equal to second term minus first term is equal to, we got here 12, and nth term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 so on will be 132 more than its 54th term. Means according to the question, how we can write the equation an nth term, we don't know, that is an plus an is equal to 132 more than the 54th term. Means a is written as a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close d is equal to a 54th term is written as a plus 53d plus 132. Then here n minus 1 bracket close d, this both a r get cancelled. कैसे मैंने कैंसिल किया बोल के मैंने आपको बताया, वैसे कैंसिल करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट 53 into 12 plus 132. Here as it is, n minus 1 is equal to this simplification 53 into 12 we got 636 and plus 132 is equal to 768. 768 को हम 12 से डिवीजन करने के बाद हमारा आंसर आया 64. Then I took here, I wrote here n minus 1 is equal to 64, n is equal to 64, minus 1 is transferred that side, that is become plus 1, 64 plus 1 is equal to 65. Means n is equal to which term? Means 65th term is according to this question, 65 term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 so on will be the 132 more than its 54th term. Which term dear students? 65 dear students. Okay, so let us go to the, I thought you understood this 11th question. Now we will go to the 12th question. Okay, yes dear students, come to the 13th question. Previously I explained to you 11th question, I left the 12th question. 12th question you do the homework, that is very easy. What is the question in the 12th question? There are 12th question, there are 2 APs are there. 2 APs difference is equal to 100 is there. So he is asking what is the difference between the 1000th term of the 2 APs बोल के दिया गया है. उसका इजी है, उसका भी 100 आंसर आएगा. आप थोड़ा थिंक करके उसको कीजिए, नहीं आए तो आप कॉल करके भी मुझे पूछ सकते हैं, मैं सॉल्यूशन करके आपको उसी नंबर के ऊपर आपको मैं स्टार्ट करूंगा. सो लेट अस कम टू द 13th क्वेश्चन. ये 13th क्वेश्चन के अंदर थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, इसके लिए हम क्या करना पड़ता, इसको थोड़ा अच्छी तरह समझ लेके इसी तरह आने वाले क्वेश्चन को क्या करना चाहिए, सॉल्यूशन करना चाहिए. इन द एग्जांपल क्वेश्चन आई एक्सप्लेन टू यू one such type of the question I explained to you dear students. So here question read properly. How many 3-digit number are divisible by 7? Divisible by 7. When we were studying in the 4th standard and 5th standard, हम जो 4th standard and 5th standard में स्टडी करते थे उस टाइम आपको बताया गया था क्या, the smallest 1-digit number is equal to 0, the greatest 1-digit number is equal to 9, okay, and the smallest 2-digit number is equal to 10, greatest 2-digit number is equal to 99, and the smallest 3-digit number is equal to 100, and the greatest 3-digit number is equal to 999. Okay, so in this question what we required here, the smallest 3-digit number and the greatest 3-digit number. ओके, उन्होंने क्या पूछा है इसमें, हाउ मेनी 3 डिजिट नंबर आर डिविजिबल बाय 7 बोल के पूछा है। ओके, लेट अस 100 is the smallest 3 digit number but 100 is not divisible by 7। वो कैसे पूछ रहा है क्वेश्चन, जो 3 डिजिट्स के अंदर जो 7 से डिविजिबल होने वाले कितने 3 डिजिट का नंबर है बोल के पूछ रहा है। इसके लिए हम स्मॉलेस्ट 3 डिजिट नंबर देंगे तो 100 is not divisible by 7। ओके, here I am writing the smallest 3 digit number is equal to 100 but it is not divisible by 7। and here greatest 3 digit number is equal to 999 but 100 is not divisible by 7। but here the small 7 100 is there, 102 is not divisible by 7, 103 suppose we are taking here 103, 7 on the 7, remainder is 333, 7 5s are 35, this is not divisible। 4 we are taking, 7 on the 7 3 34, 7 5s are 35, it is not divisible by 3, means 105 is 7 on the 7, here become 5, 7 5s are 35, means the smallest 3 digit number which is there that is divisible by 7 means that is 105। जो 105 एक नंबर है वो 7 से डिविजिबल होने वाले 3 डिजिट का स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है। ओके, ये 105 को आप क्या करिए, 7 ऐड कीजिए, 7 ऐड करें तो इट इज बिकम 112 डियर स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, 105 प्लस 7 is equal to 112। next 190, next so on 999 is not divisible by what, 7 and 998 check it, 7 ones are 7, remainder 2 29, 7 4s are 28, remainder 1 18, 7 2s are, it is not divisible by 7 also not, 5 also not, 4 you check it, so 7 on the 7, remainder 2 29, 7 4s are 20 and 8 and afterwards 4, 7 2s are 14, means which number, 994। one more time I will clear here doubt। क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा, हाउ मेनी 3 डिजिट नंबर आर डिविजिबल बाय 7, 3 डिजिट का स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर 100 है, ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर 999 है, लेकिन 7 से डिविजिबल होने वाला नंबर पूछ रहा है, द 7 से डिविजिबल होने वाला फर्स्ट नंबर पूछ रहा है 105 है और लास्ट नंबर पूछ रहा है 994 है। जो इस तरह 7 से डिविजिबल होने वाले 3 डिजिट का कितना नंबर है वो पूछ रहा है। ओके, नाउ कम टू द हियर, a is equal to first term is 105 and common difference is equal to, we are adding 7 only, that's why common difference is 7 and an is equal to last term is 994 and we should be find out n is equal to question mark dear students। okay, now here formula, use the formula here, a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close b is equal to a, मैंने उल्टा लिखा क्योंकि इसका वैल्यू पता है, इसके लिए मैंने इस तरफ लिखा। नेक्स्ट सबस्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू, a वैल्यू इज 105 एंड प्लस n we are finding n minus 1, common difference is 7 and is equal to here 994। next step dear students, here 105 and plus 7 into n, 7n plus into minus 7 and is equal to 994। next step here 7n is equal to 994 इसमें माइनस here 105 minus 7 is equal to 105 minus 7, it is become 15, it is become 9, it is become 0, 15 minus 7 is equal to here 8, here is 9, answer we got here 98। this number and this number simplification is came. So 105 minus 7 is equal to 98. Which 98? That is plus 98. Translate the side, that is become minus 98. Next, n is equal to 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6, dear students. Here 8 is there, that is become 18. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9, and here 8. 896 divided by 7, dear students. Which divide? This 7 is become denominator. Next, here n is equal to 896 upon 7 is there. 7 1 7. 7 1 7. Remainder how much? Here remainder 1 19. 7 2 14. Remainder 5 56. 7 8 56. Means number of terms is equal to 128, dear students. How many numbers are there? 128 numbers are there. Okay, so I thought you understood this solution. So one more time I will explain, dear students, here what is the question. How many 3-digit number are divisible by 7? He is asking. Okay, उन्होंने क्या पूछ रहा है? 7 से डिविजिबल होने वाले कितने 3 डिजिट का नंबर है बोल के पूछ रहा है, डियर स्टूडेंट. उसमें फर्स्ट हम लेना, the smallest 3-digit number is 100 and the greatest 3-digit number is 999. But smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by 7, that is 105. The greatest 3-digit number which is divisible by 7, that is 994. Our sequence is what? 105 plus 7, 112, 112 plus 7, 190, so on. Last digit is 994. Then first term is 105, common difference is 7. an, last nth term is 994. We are find out n. Afterwards formula a plus n minus 1 bracket close d is equal to an. Substitute the value 105 plus n minus 1, common difference 7 is equal to 994. Next 105, here multiplication, plus into plus, plus 7 into n, 7n, minus into plus, minus 7 on the 7 is equal to 194 is as it is. Then you do the subtraction. This 7 I wrote here is equal to 994 also I wrote here. Next 105 plus 105 minus 7, answer we got here 98. That plus 98, translate that side, that will become minus 98. When we will do the simplification here, 994 minus 98, it is become 896, dear students. This multiplication is become division. I came to here, n is equal to 896 divided by 7. Do the division. 7 on the 7, dear students. 7 on the 7. Here remainder is, when 7 we did the subtraction, we got here 1, that is become 19. 7 2 is 14. So 19 में से 14 गए तो कितना बचा? 5. 5 means it is become 56. 7 8 is 56. Means number of terms is equal to 128, dear students. Okay. I thought you understood 13th question. 2 times I explained to you. Then also you are not getting, you can call to me. I will clarify your doubt, dear students. Okay. Now let us go to the next question. Yes, dear students, welcome to 14th question. So 14th question also similar is that there he used the which one divisible numbers, and here is multiple he asked. Okay. So this is also very easy question. How many multiples of 4 lies between 10 to 250? So 10 का मल्टीपल 10 से लेकर 250 तक कितने नंबर से बोल के पूछ रहा है, डियर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके. हियर नथिंग इज देयर, very easy, dear students. Already we know that which number is divisible by 4. 4 का कंडीशन क्या है? The given number last 2 digit is divisible by, last 2 digits are divisible by 4, means we can say the given number is divisible by 4. वो उसी कंडीशन लेके हम चालू करना चाहिए. So 10, it is not divisible by 12. We are taking 11. 11 is not divisible by 12. Sorry, 4, and 12 is divisible by, dear students, 4. 12 plus 4 करो, that is become 16. Next 20, so on. Next 250, check it. 250 is not divisible by which one? 4. 2 49, it is also not divisible by 4, and 248, last two digit 48 is divisible by 4, that's why 248 is divisible by what, dear students? Divisible by 4. I thought you understood this step. इसमें हिंदी में बता रहा हूँ, जो 10 और 250 के बिटवीन में जो 4 का मल्टीपल्स कितने हैं बोल के पूछ रहा है। इसके लिए हम क्या करना, 10 लेना, 10 4 से 4 का मल्टीपल नहीं है, 4 जो टेबल में नहीं आता, और 11 आल्सो नॉट कमिंग, 12 इज कमिंग। 12 क्या होता है, 4 का मल्टीपल है, 12 4 का मल्टीपल रहे तो 16 क्या होता है, 12 का है, 20 वो है, और 250 इज नॉट डिविजिबल। 250 क्या है, 4 का मल्टीपल नहीं है। पीछे आए तो बिटवीन में पूछा है, तो पीछे आए तो 249 is not divisible by 4, that is not a multiple of the 4. 248 is the multiple of the 4, dear students. Okay, let us follow the next step here. A is equal to, dear students, 12, and common difference 4 का मल्टीपल है ना, इसके लिए 4 लेना dear students, and an is equal to, that is you take 248, and we are finding n is equal to question mark, dear students. N is equal to question mark, we are finding the n. Let us next step here, a plus n minus 1 bracket close d is equal to an. सर ऐसे क्यों उल्टा लिख रहे हो, कभी भी बेटा हम an दिया ना, हम क्या करना है, an उस तरफ लेना, उस तरफ RHS साइड लेना, कौन सा जो फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं करने का है वो क्या रहना, वो लेफ्ट हैंड की तरफ रहना, डियर स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, नेक्स्ट स्टेप, सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर, द फर्स्ट टर्म इज 12 and plus n we are finding 1, and common difference is 4 is equal to, this is 248. Next step here, this is 12 and plus 4 into n, 4n minus 4 is equal to 248. One more time, dear students, 12 I wrote here as it is, plus into plus, plus 4 into n, 4n, plus into minus, minus 4 into 1, 4. Next step, I am taking here 4n is equal to 248, and the next step, this plus 12 minus 4, plus into minus, minus, we should be do subtraction, but our answer is positive. 12 में से 8 गए तो बचा कितना, 8, wait, plus 8 transfer that side, that is become minus 8, dear students. Okay, I thought you understood. So here plus 12 में से 4 गए तो कितना बचेगा, dear students, 8 बचेगा, that is plus 8, plus 8 को उधर लेके गए तो क्या हो जाएगा, minus 8 आएगा। नेक्स्ट, n is equal to 248 minus 8, it is become 240, and upon here this multiplication 4 is become division. One more time, dear students, 4n, ये जो 4n है ना, मैंने इधर लिखा बेटा, और ये दोनों को मैंने सिंप्लीफाई करा, करने के बाद उसका प्लस 8 आया आंसर, वो प्लस 8 उधर लेके गए तो वो माइनस 8 हो गया। 248 के अंदर माइनस 8 सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के बाद हमें 240 मिला। 240 इधर जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन है उसको उधर लेके गए तो क्या हो जाएगा, डिवीजन हो जाएगा। 4 1 जा 4, 4 1 जा 4, 4 how much are 24, 4 1 जा 4, 4 5 जा 20, 4 6 जा 4 1 जा 4, 4 5 जा 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 1 is 4, 4 6 is 24. Now it is become n is equal to 60, dear student. Therefore, number of terms is equal to how much? 60. I thought you understood very well, dear students. Answer is what? 60. Answer is 60. Number of terms is equal to 60. I thought you understood this solution. So dear students, और एक बार एक्सप्लेन करोगे इसके अंदर, how many multiples of 4 lie between the 10 and 250? That is the question, dear students. So first 4 का मल्टीपल कौन सा है, बोले तो 12 है। नेक्स्ट उसके बाद 16 होता है, नेक्स्ट उसके बाद 20। 4 जो टेबल पढ़ते जाओ, 4 जो 4, 4 2 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12, 12 16 20 24 248. First term is 12, common difference 4, an is equal to 248, we are finding n. Formula an, a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close d is equal to a n. Substitute a value is 2n plus this is as it is 4 and 248. 12 as it is, multiplication is 4n minus 1. This is subtraction is 8 plus 8. Bring this side, that will become minus 8. Here 4n is equal to 248 minus 8. 248 minus 8 is equal to 240. Multiplication 4 is become division. 4 is the 4, 4 is 24. Answer we got n is equal to 16. Dear students, okay, let us go to the next question. Yes, dear students. Now we are going 15th क्वेश्चन. मैं आपको और एक बार रिमाइंड करूंगा मेरे डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये एक्सरसाइज के अंदर 20 क्वेश्चंस है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू 15th क्वेश्चन. ओके, 15th क्वेश्चन अभी रिमेनिंग 5 है. 5 नेक्स्ट पीरियड के अंदर खत्म कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. होने के बाद नेक्स्ट वीक में ये चैप्टर कंपलसरी एंड होता है डियर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, सो नाउ लेट अस कम टू दिस क्वेश्चन. फॉर व्हाट वैल्यू ऑफ n, n इज इक्वल टू क्या है? आर द nth टर्म ऑफ 2 APs. इधर 2 APs है, एक AP है, एक सीक्वेंस है, अनदर वन दिस इज 2 सीक्वेंस आ गया. इसमें इसको देखने के बाद n क्या आएगा, n का वैल्यू क्या आएगा बोल के पूछ रहा है. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट वी आर टेकिंग, आई एम टेकिंग दैट इज 63 फर्स्ट केस. First case, here 63, 65 and 67, so on. Okay, now in this sequence I am taking a value is equal to a, I am taking capital a, I am taking capital a is equal to 63 and common difference capital I am taking 65 minus 63, it is become 2 and next we are finding n. N is equal to capital N is equal to when we are substituting the equation formula. So this is an is equal to what is the answer? A plus here n minus 1 bracket close. This is n is we are taking like that. N minus 1 is equal to common difference. When we are substituting here 63 plus here n minus 1, common difference is here 2, then is equal to here 63 plus 2n minus 2, we got answer here 61 plus 2n. this is the first equation. देखो मैंने फर्स्ट सीक्वेंस लेके मैं सॉल्यूशन कर रहा हूँ. फर्स्ट केस, दिस इज द फर्स्ट केस में सॉल्यूशन कर रहा हूँ. 63, 65, 67 so on. First term is 63, common difference is equal to 2, n is we are finding n is equal to question mark. Formula क्या है? an is equal to a plus n minus 1 bracket close d. a value is 63 and plus n minus 1 d. So 63 plus 2n, 2 into n, 2n, 2 into 1 is equal to 2, then 63 minus 2 is equal to 61 2n. So okay, this is second case. Now we are going here. Second case, what is that? There here 3, 10, 17, so on is there. Here a is equal to 3 and common difference is equal to 7. N is equal to question mark. N is equal to question mark. There should formula is what? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 bracket close d. Next step here 3 plus here n minus 1 bracket close here 7. Next step here 3 and plus 7n minus 7 minus 7. It is become what? Here minus 4 plus 7 here plus 3 and minus 7 is equal to answer is minus 4 is minus 4 plus 7. This is the second. When we are doing the subtraction, we are taking the what is for what value of n or the nth term of the AP, 2 APs are equal. दोनों भी first AP और second AP दोनों भी क्या है कहते? दोनों भी equal है कहते. Equal means दोनों को हम कैसा लिखना चाहिए? Equal बोल के लिखना चाहिए. Equal बोले तो here we are writing which type? Here 61. Arrow mark here 61 plus 2n is equal to -4 plus 7 n days. Okay, here what we are doing, both are equal. Next step here, 61, this is -4 bring this side, plus 4 is equal to 7n. This is translate, this is -2n. Next step here, 7n minus 2n, we got here 5n is equal to here 65. N is equal to 65 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Means n is equal to, we got here 30. One more time, here 61 plus 2n is equal to -4 plus 7n is there. This 61 as it is, -4 is become +4 is equal to 7n minus, this is answer that side, -2n. 7n minus 2n is equal to 5n, and next 61 plus 4 is equal to 65. Dear students, 60, this is 65. Then n is equal to 65 divided by 5. Multiplication become within 5 into 5, 5 into 15. N is equal to number of terms. N is equal, what is the value of the n? N is equal to 30, dear students. Okay, n is equal to 30. This is our answer. Okay, once again I did the solution. One more time I will explain. You listen carefully and observe the board. I will keep the here finger. मैं कहाँ कौन सा स्टेप एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ और फिंगर रखता हूँ, उधर थोड़ा ऑब्जर्व कीजिए क्या क्या चेंज करें बोल के. फॉर व्हाट वैल्यू ऑफ n, n का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए और द nth टर्म ऑफ द 2 APs. हम n फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं इसके अंदर, और 2 AP है इधर 63, 65, 67. दिस इज द वन सीक्वेंस and 3, 10, 7, 17 so on. This is one sequence. Both are what? Both are equal. मैंने फर्स्ट केस लिया, the case number 1. केस नंबर 1 में सीक्वेंस क्या है? 63, 65, 67 so on is there. So कैपिटल A, कंफ्यूज नहीं होना बोल के मैंने क्या लिया? A वैल्यू है 63. Common difference is A2 minus A1. We got here 2 and n is we are find out. Then an is equal to a plus n minus 1 bracket plus b. Substitute value 63 plus n minus 1 bracket plus 2. 63 2 into n 2n plus into minus into plus minus 2 into 1 2 and 2n as it is. 63 minus 2 is equal to 61. This is the first equation. Second, case number 2. We have taken this equation. This sequence. So 3, 10, 17 so on is there. First term is 3, common difference. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. N we are finding. Formula A n is equal to a plus n minus 1 bracket plus d. 3 plus d, common difference is n minus 1, common difference is 7. Next multiplication. 3 as it is plus 7 into n is equal to 7n and plus into minus minus 7 into 1 is equal to 7. When we did the simplification, 7n as it is plus 3 minus 7. Answer is minus 4. This is second condition. Here last one is their word. What is that? Both APs are equal. दोनों भी equal है. First case is equal to second case is equal to first case. Here word is there not? That's why I wrote here. Second one is minus 4 plus 7n. Next 61 as it is. So minus 4 I did brought here. It is become plus 4 is equal to 7n as it is. I kept there only plus 2n. I transfer that side and it become minus 2n. So 61 plus 4 is equal to 65 and 7n minus 2n is equal to 5. सर उधर से इधर क्यों लिखे, इधर से उधर क्यों लिखे? दोनों भी क्या होता है? इक्वल रहे तो RHS is equal to LHS लिख सकते हैं. 5n minus is equal to 5n is equal to 65. n is equal to 65. 5 into 5 is 15. n number of terms is equal to, dear students, 13. I thought you understood what is the value of n is equal to n का value क्या है? 13 है, dear students. Okay. Today we want to stop here only class, dear students. Today I explained to you so 3-4 questions and one question I given for homework, that is do it practice, and the 16th question also very easy is there. One more time I will give the hint here. 16th question is what? Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and 7th term is exceeds the 5th term by 12. ये similar question है, dear students. एक example question भी किए थे हम. इधर कौन सा क्वेश्चन बोले तो एक्सिस्ट करता जो है क्वेश्चन, द 31st टर्म कॉमन डिफरेंस. राइट. 10th क्वेश्चन इज देयर. The 17th term of an AP x is its 10th term by 7, find the common difference. This is the 10th question is there. Like that only 16th question is there. What? Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and 7th term x is the 5th term by 12. एक एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन में भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन है और 10th का क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सिमिलर है, उसी तरह क्या कीजिए होमवर्क कीजिए। बाकी बचे से जो 4 क्वेश्चंस है, 4 क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट पीरियड में मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा। करने के बाद आपको सम ऑफ द nth टर्म ऑफ द एपी का जो सम ऑफ द nth टर्म ऑफ द एपी है ना डियर स्टूडेंट्स, उसका फार्मूला है ना Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket close d, a sum of the nth term of the AP। गुड। तो क्या अब जो सीक्वेंस है ना बेटा, ये सीक्वेंस का सम करें तो 3 plus 10 13, 13 plus 7 13 plus 7 13 plus 7 is equal to 30। ऐसे जो सम कितना आता है, सम क्या आता है बोल के पूछता है हमें क्वेश्चन। उसका क्या है nth टर्म, व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन, सम ऑफ द फर्स्ट nth टर्म ऑफ द एपी हेडिंग है, उसका फार्मूला है Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket close d। ये फार्मूला है बच्चों, ये फार्मूला एक है और एक भी है, वो दोनों फार्मूला लेके हम नेक्स्ट का जो टॉपिक डिस्कशन करते जाएंगे। उसमें भी 20 क्वेश्चंस है, उसको भी एटलीस्ट डेली 5 क्वेश्चंस एक होमवर्क क्वेश्चन दिए सब क्वेश्चन पे आप करते गए ना, ऑटोमेटिकली ये चैप्टर एंड हो जाएगा। अब चैप्टर खत्म होने के बाद नेक्स्ट जो 30% डिक्रीज करने के बाद कौन सा चैप्टर रहेगा वो चैप्टर पढ़ाते जाएंगे। आई थॉट टुडे यू अंडरस्टूड वेरी वेल डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इसमें कुछ भी डाउट रहे तो भी आप कॉल करके पूछ सकते, या भालकी का स्टूडेंट्स हो या बीदर का स्टूडेंट्स हो, कौन सा भी स्टूडेंट आप कॉल करके पूछ सकते। कॉल करने का टाइमिंग इवनिंग के टाइम में दिया गया है, नंबर अवेलेबल है, नंबर आप अपने एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सर को कॉल करके नंबर ले सकते। ओके, आज यहाँ ही स्टॉप करेंगे। थैंक यू डियर स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू वन एंड ऑल।